Hey guys, so guess what time it is? It is time for another video of what's sold on eBay, and we're starting it off on Monday. This order actually came in, the offer came in early this morning, and then I accepted it, and so we're just going to start off this video with a sale for Monday. Anyways, so this is what's sold. It is a Vera Bradley coin purse. It's a little wristlet. So you just put it on your wrist. Super cute. Has yellow pattern, yellow colored, and I don't know what this pattern is called, but I got it at the Goodwill. I did set this higher, probably about $11 or so, and somebody sent an offer for $7, and I was like, why not? I'm just going to go ahead and accept it. So I accepted it, and they are going to be paying for shipping as well, and shipping is going to be very, very cheap. It's going to be under $5, probably less than $4 to be honest, because this is going to be going into a small poly mailer, and I want to say it's probably going to be about 5 ounces or so. So that is always good. But yeah, so I turned this into $7 profit, and it was, I can't remember how much I paid for this. It was probably like $1.99 or so. But they are going to be paying for shipping as well. And yeah, so that is one sale down for this week, and it is technically it's Christmas week already. But anyways, so first sale down, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hey you guys, so it is actually Monday and it is a new week. You did not see a new video from me on what's sold on eBay. It's because we literally only had 3 sales for the week of Christmas, and I thought that would not make a good video. So we're actually just going to roll it over. Hopefully I can find the footage. Hopefully I did not delete it. But we're going to roll over the footage that I had last week. We did sell 3 items, I believe. And so Monday we are starting a new video. We did have one sale, and it was from eBay. And it is this Scrabble catchphrase. I can't remember how much I got this for, but we played it for a couple of times, and then we just forgot about it pretty much. So this is, it's not brand new, it's used, it's out of the package. Batteries does not include in it. It does work. I already tested it and everything. You can see like the pictures on eBay, how it lights up and everything. And I posted this for $11.90, and somebody won it, it wasn't an auction, but somebody bought it for $11.90 and is going to be going as first class because it's going to be less than a pound. I was going to package it real well so it doesn't crack or anything or bust in the back, so it doesn't work. And yeah, so that's it. So that is our first sale for this week. It is the week after Christmas, so it is the 27th. Literally, no, it's 26th. It's literally the day after Christmas. But anyway, so hopefully this week will be really good. I'm trying to push out a lot of my old inventory out so I can make way for the new inventory of 2023. But yeah, so one sale for this week, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday, and I'm coming on here because of course we have a sale. I literally just got out of the shower from getting home from the gym and everything, so my hair is wet. It's probably tucked into my shirt right now, but I wanted to get on here and show you guys what's sold. So this tin is a Pioneer Woman brand tin, and I picked this up at a yard sale because I absolutely love Pioneer Woman. I went through a phase where I wanted nothing but Pioneer Woman. Now I'm kind of out of the phase, and I kind of want to get rid of it. So I put this on for, I think, $10, and the shipping was roughly around $8 because it's going to be well over a pound. And somebody sent me an offer for $7, and it's actually been on eBay for quite a while, for a couple of months, probably like the beginning of summer. So I just decided that I wanted to go ahead and accept it for $7. Plus they're going to be paying for shipping, which is going to be around $8. So I'm totally fine with that. And it's a very sturdy tin. Like, I haven't even used it at all. I have no idea how much I paid for it at a yard sale, but it's a really pretty color and I absolutely love it. It just has floral everywhere. I don't want to drop it to bend it. But anyways, so that is it. And yeah, so what was I going to say? I was going to tell you how much. So I don't know how much I paid for it, but it turned into a $7 profit, which is great. I did accept another offer not too long ago, and I am waiting for them to pay, and then I will show you guys that as well. Hey guys, so it is Friday, December 30th, and I'm actually in my garage. It's a hot mess. I know it's still a hot mess. Our goal is to clean this up tonight and tomorrow, and try to set an area up for my eBay stuff and everything. But I came on here because, of course, we made some sales. We actually made 4 sales today, and it's super exciting, and I cannot wait to show you guys. And also, I'm actually trying out my new tripod that Jared got me for Christmas. I used it a little bit on Christmas. I did some selfie. It can be a selfie stick. It can be a tripod. It has this little remote where you can take pictures. So that is awesome. So now I'm trying it as a tripod, and hopefully it does not fall. But let's go on and get started, and let's go ahead and do our first sale. So our first sale is this really pretty Scentsy warmer. I'm going to step back a little bit. This Scentsy warmer. It is Easter theme. It is a retired design. I got this about $5 from a yard sale, and I actually already taped the top because I don't want it to break or fall in the packaging. So I already taped that, and I got it for $5. And there was, I think I sent it for about $20 on eBay, and somebody sent me an offer for $15 for this, and the shipping is most likely going to be probably around $10 to $12 because it's very heavy. It's glass. I'm going to have to do a lot of packaging because I do not want to break. Can't remember where it's going to, but yeah, so that was our first sale, and this is actually the payment that I talked about in the last clip about somebody sent me an offer and I accepted it, and I was just waiting on the payment. I did reach out to them. I'm like, hey, I would love to ship your item out on Saturday before the holiday, because if it's past Saturday, the post office is going to be closed on Sunday and also going to be closed on Monday. So I really wanted to get these items out. So I just reached out to her and see if she would want to pay, and she did. So yeah, so that's great. The next item is this tiny Han Solo Hallmark Star Wars, and this is a tiny ornament, and I actually sold one of these not too long ago, maybe sometime last month, so probably a couple of weeks ago. I sold this for $5, and I relisted it because I had one more left, and somebody sent me, I think I sent an offer for $5, and then somebody counter offered for $4, and then I countered back for $4.25, and I just accepted it just so I can get rid of these. These are 2021 ornaments, so I am slowly getting rid of those. I have not bought anything for 2022 Hallmark. I think they're still 50% off, so I'm going to go look this weekend and see if I can pick up some stuff to sell and to sell on here. But yeah, so this was $3 or $4.25, so that is going to get shipped, and the shipping is going to be like $3 and something cents. So super excited about that sale. This is actually my last one. I think I told y'all that. The next one is my last Halloween Town Hallmark keepsake, which these actually sold in October during Halloween in Hallmark, and I did not know that Hallmark sold Halloween ornaments also, so that's pretty cool to find out. And these were also 75% off, so it was $4.63, and this actually sold on Mercari. And Mercari, I had it set for $21, and there was like so many people who liked it. There was 18 people who liked this. So when somebody liked it, just like on eBay, you can send offers. So I sent offers to 18 people, and it was the same offer. It was for $16, so this was $21, and I sent an offer for $16, and somebody accepted it. And so that's really good. This is my last Halloween Town one. I hope to get some more next year. But the shipping is going to be $6.18. It's going to be less than, I keep saying but it's going to be free shipping. Not free shipping, it's going to be first class. But anyways, for $6.18. And then the last one, I actually had this for a very long time. I have no idea, probably the very beginning of the year. And I got this Thomas the Train little plush. It's like a little buddy plush, and still has the tag and everything. And I got this at the Little Ben's in Pensacola, Florida, and I paid $5 for this, and it sold. I think I put it, first off, at the very beginning, I put it as like $22, and then I just dropped it some more to like, I think $15, and then somebody just sent me an offer for $11, and I did accept that just so I get rid of it. But yeah, I actually liked it. I should have gave it to my nephew because he likes Thomas the Train, but I was holding out, hoping that somebody would buy it, and they did. And yeah, so I'm going to ship this off brand new with tag, still in the original like package, and I'm still just going to double package it. But anyways, so that is it. So that is 4 items that sold today on Friday, December 30th, and I am so happy to end the year. Hopefully, maybe we'll have another sale tomorrow, the last day of the year, and that would be super exciting to just go out with a bang. But I feel like I already went out with a bang. But anyways, so yeah, so those are the 4 items that sold, 3 from eBay and 2 from Mercari, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Bye guys. Hey guys, so it is Sunday. It is January 1st, so happy new year. It is 2023, and we are starting it off with a, what's sold. But I'm actually ending this video right now because it's the start of a new week, and then I will restart it whenever we get another sale. But as you can see, it was a little bit of a slower week. This week it's a little after Christmas and everything. But I think we still did pretty good ending 2022 off. So I can't wait to see what 2023 is looking like for us, sales wise. But anyways, if you enjoy these videos, let me know down below, and I will see you guys on the next video. I'm going to restart it whenever I get a new sale. Bye guys.